Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Mitsubishi Pajero, stock number 6190. This ran from the 9th 2008 to the 8th 2014. It has a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 5-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifters. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster,